Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on KCS. As usual, if you guys like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, KCS has been overall bullish for a while, making higher lows and higher highs trading inside this brown channel. And we previously had this aggressive impulse movement pushing price upward, breaking below the previous all-time high for a new all-time high to form around the brown trend line. And even though we are around the upper bound, we are still very bullish. If we zoom into H1 time frame, we can see that this blue channel is engulfing the last impulse that we saw from daily time frame, which is this one in fact. So we are still overall bullish, and the lower trend line is acting as a lower bound or the non-horizontal support. So as price approaches it, we'll be looking for buy setups to catch the next impulse, just like previously. For example, here we had a correction and we caught the previous impulse movement. So long story short, as price approaches this trend line, we'll be looking for buy setups, unless of course price or the bears manage to break below it. In this case, a correction is expected till the lower support area, which we also saw from daily time frame, which is the intersection of these previous highs and round number 15, and of course this lower band, which is the lower trend line in brown. But for now, and until the bears take over by breaking below this lower trend line in blue, we would be overall bullish, and we are still looking for buy setups on the retest. As we clearly see, AUDNZD has been overall bearish for a while, making lower highs and lower lows trading inside this brown channel. And when we are overall bearish, we're waiting for the correction to be about to end to catch what? The next impulse movement. And that's exactly what we'll be doing now. As price is in the correction phase, we're waiting for the sellers to kick in to catch the next impulse. But of course, we can't really know where the correction would end. It can end here or dive a little bit deeper before going down. That's why we don't sell blindly, even though we have a resistance and we are overall bearish. We always look for a rejection area, and then we zoom into lower time frames to look for shift in momentum. For example, we are overall bearish from a long-term perspective, right? So bearish, bullish, which is a correction phase, and then we've got a bearish, and now we are in a bullish, which is a correction phase. So while waiting for the sellers to break below the previous lows to confirm that they are now strong enough already to start the next impulse movement. So you don't want to sell for now, but as price is approaching the upper bound or the upper brown trend line and this horizontal resistance area, we'll be looking for sell setups. And as mentioned previously, waiting for the sellers to take over by breaking, for example, like this below the previous low. Of course, I'm not predicting that this will happen. It's just like an indication or what I would like to see, so that the conditions as per my rules would be met, and then I'll be selling AUDNZD. Of course, it can form like this, many swings before breaking it downward, but you've got the idea. We want a break below the last swing, which is like sitting around the channel or the lower trend line to confirm that the sellers are now taking over. And of course, when the sell is activated, the stop loss would be just above the last swing high, which is in this case for like my particular projection, and we target a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio, which would be around the lower bound or the lower support area. That's it for AUDNZD. Best of luck, and I'll see you on the next one.